Students, now we will continue with second sum of practice set 4.1. As you all know that in the previous part we have already done sum number 1 and 7 of this exercise. Okay. So in this segment we will do all the construction sums of practice set 4.1. Let's see the second sum. Draw an acute angle triangle PQR. Draw all of its altitudes. Name the point of concurrence as O. Now we will see what are the steps. Step number 1, draw an acute angle triangle PQR. So we will see that our first step is going to be acute angle triangle PQR. After that, draw all of its altitudes. So we have to draw altitudes of triangle PQR. Now let's see. Recall what is altitude. The perpendicular segment drawn from a vertex of a triangle on the side opposite to it is called an altitude of the triangle. Okay, so we will follow that definition over here. Next, name the point of concurrence as O. So in the previous part only we have already discussed that altitudes of triangle are concurrent lines and their point of concurrence is called as orthocenter. Okay, so using the basics that we have learned in the previous part, we will continue the construction. Now let's start with the construction. Because measurement is not given, so I can take any measure. So I am going to take a segment as a base. I have taken it as 6 centimeter. Okay, you can take any segment. Now name is given as PQR, so I will name this as QR. Okay. Now because they are saying it is acute angle triangle, so I will take an acute angle from here. Okay, let the angle be 50 degrees. Okay. Similarly, I will take an angle from R. So I have taken here it as 60 degrees. Okay. Now you may think that we have taken an angle as 50 and one of the angle as 60. So how could we prove that what is the third angle? So while taking that measure we have to make sure that all three angles must be less than 90 degree. Okay, then only it is acute angle triangle. So when I take 50 and 60, the total becomes 110. And 180 minus 110 is 70 degrees. That means it is 50, 60 and 70. So I have drawn a triangle PQR which is acute angle triangle. Okay. Now there was no measure of the segment given, so there is no issue that whatever measure you can take. Okay. Only thing you have to see that it is an acute angle triangle. Now let's move to the next part of this question. Draw all of its altitudes. Okay, so now I am going to use set square. You can use set square or you can also use protractor. There are two ways of drawing. So for altitude here, the easy way for me is to use the set square. Why? Because set square already has an angle of 90 degree. So I will make sure that it is coinciding with the base, that is opposite side, and also with the vertex. Okay, and then I will draw the perpendicular. So perpendicular drawn from the vertex to the opposite side is going to be altitude. Is it clear? Okay, we will name it later on. So now next one, from Q also I have to draw perpendicular. Okay, and then from R I will draw perpendicular. So you can see here I have drawn perpendicular from all three vertices to the opposite side. Now you can name this. I can name this as point S, this is T, this is U. So now we have drawn all the altitudes. Now third step, name the point of concurrence as O. So this is point of concurrence where all three altitudes are joining. So this is O. Okay, and point of concurrence of altitude is also called as orthocenter. Okay, and we normally denote it by O. Okay, so all of you will watch this video and then you will construct on your own. Is it clear? If you have any doubt, you can again see the video. Okay, and you will find that it is very easy. I'll repeat the step. I have drawn segment QR first, then I have taken an acute angle. I took 50 degree. You can take any acute angle. Then I took here 60 degree. Make sure that when you are taking these two acute angles, they should not sum up to 90 degree. Is it clear? Or less than 90 degree, because if that will happen, then it becomes an obtuse or right angle triangle. So I will make sure that sum of these two angles must be more than 90 degree, so that this angle is also acute angle. Okay, so I will get triangle PQR as an acute angle triangle, and then using set square, I have used here set square. You can also use protractor. Okay, I will show you. See here, I can use protractor also to see that it is 90 degree. Okay, and I can mark the point, right? Whatever point I have taken here, I will mark that and then I can draw. Okay, but I will find it more convenient with the set square because already there is 90 degrees, so I can easily draw altitudes. Okay, and then after drawing all the altitudes, I will mark the orthocenter as O.